Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.